Situated roughly 500 kilometres to the north of Perth, Pindathuna was once a working pastoral outstation in Western Australia's vast Midwest and was closely associated with the nearby and much larger Gabion station, near the small regional town of Yalgoo. The cottage at Pindathuna was originally built as accommodation for station workers, and like so many station homes, it was an isolated place of shelter in a sometimes harsh and often unforgiving landscape. Over time, as pastoral operations changed and properties were consolidated, Pindathuna gradually fell quiet. Its buildings, long exposed to the effects of weather and time, still stood proudly as reminders of the people who had once lived and worked here. Today, Pindathuna Cottage is being carefully restored by track care volunteers, ensuring that this small but important piece of Western Australia's pastoral heritage is preserved. The old cottage walls, having stood for so many years, are slowly being repaired using a traditional bush mix render. Interior walls are being restored using the same technique, before being recoated with a traditional whitewash. Window and door frames, damaged by water and termites, are being carefully replaced using recycled timber, which has been salvaged locally. The cottage's old sash windows are now once again in working order. Much of the interior wooden flooring has also had to be replaced. It's easy to imagine that if they could see it now, perhaps the people of the past might not find things all that different from how they once were. The electric lights and power may be a necessary nod to modern times, but the original wood stove, surely the heart of many a home, is once again being used. Today, Pindathuna Cottage kitchen is once again often filled with the smell of freshly cooked food, and the rooms echo once more with the voices and laughter of friends and workers, relaxing at the end of their workday. Time marches on, but with care and commitment by hard-working volunteers. Track care are showing that we can hold on to what matters for just a little longer. Track care. Access for the future.